Good morning to all. Skills every student must develop during schooling. This is the most important message I would like to give to all high school children. Before you leave high school, apart from learning subjects that are being taught in the classroom, you must develop skills which are not taught in the school, or perhaps they might be able to give you extracurricular activities through which you have to learn. You must develop the following skills what I am going to explain to you before you leave the school for your future. Here is a question for all students. Is getting high marks enough to succeed in life? What skills will you need in 2035, 9 years from now? Can artificial intelligence, AI, replace every human skill? Of course, knowledge gives you power. Skills help you use that power wisely to become a successful person. You become curious and start thinking beyond examination and marks. This is what you must achieve during your schooling time. Either during school hours or during your spare time or during your lunch time or play time, you must form small groups, maybe two or three. You should try to discuss what skills should every student develop before leaving school. This must become a practice for you. Each group writes 5 important skills on a sheet of paper. Whenever you meet, allow one student from each group to present it. That means every student must know how to present something in front of a small group or a whole class or in an audience. A student writes their ideas on on the paper and then try to review that also. This is an important activity. Either the school can help you to develop or you can develop on your own. That will be a sign of becoming a good leader. I have listed here 10 essential skills every student can develop. I use the word can develop, provided you practice it, you participate in developing the skills. 1. Communication skills. You should know how to talk with your parents, how to talk with your teachers, how to talk and what to talk with your friends. So this is communication depends upon the different groups you are participating in. Critical thinking. Whenever you learn something, whenever you see something, try to ask two questions, whether you know the answer or not, why and how. This is very important. Example I will give you. If you learn a class on DNA structure, ask a question, why should I learn DNA structure? What is the importance of learning this? How can I apply this during my days on, on particularly in the group? Problem solving skills, creativity and innovation. You must try to create something every time. Try to innovate something. Something may be connected to your reading habit, something connected to your table arrangement. Anything you must try to be innovative. New things should come out. You must learn teamwork and leadership. Try to organize groups, take each one a leader, Try to guide what to do, what things we'll have to do. Or maybe at the end of the day, meet three people and learn what did we learn today, what is that we can apply to home, what is that we can apply in the society to make society better. That is an important thing. Digital and AI literacy. Just observing and watching the mobile for the sake of movie or a funny thing or any other thing is important, no doubt, but you should be able to learn more than that. AI literacy. How to AI can give you many things, but you must know what to ask. It's called prompting. How to prompt the AI to get the correct answer, the required answer, and the legally correct answer. That is the AI literacy. Emotional intelligence. You must develop emotional intelligence when you are working in a society. You know, when once you complete your education, you have to work in the society. You should know how to behave, how to talk, how to help, how to get help. All this requires your emotional intelligence. It will not come from your school marks. It will not come from your school days. It has to be practiced by you. Time management. Think of time management. You take a piece of paper, write down how you start your work in the day. When do you get up? How do you spend your time, your free time? Especially, you may get 3 to 4 hours in a day. Think of, take a paper, think what time you get up, what time you have in the school, what time you use for your personal activities. When you go to school, how much time you spend. When you come home, what you do. If you're going for a private tuition, how much time you spend. What is your free time? And that free time you must utilize for thinking, critical thinking, creativity, and innovation. Environmental responsibility. Try to keep your table clean to begin with. Try to help your mother if possible. Try to see your home environment is clean and neat looking. Similarly, in the school, try to keep your classroom, take leadership, try to help the classroom to be clean. These are all the environmental responsibility you should develop and try to be a lifelong learner. Don't say, I have learned everything. See, today I am 89 years old. I am learning how to use AI, how to produce a very good YouTube presentation. I don't stop learning. Every day I learn something. I ask my children, my grandchildren. Yesterday, for example, I saw someone doing like this, a kind of a clap like this. I asked, what is that? My grandson said it is called micro clapping. So, knowledge plus skills plus values make you a responsible citizen. When you learn something new, ask yourself which skill do, do you already have? Which skill do you want to improve? How can these skills help you at home, in school, and in your future career? Individual activity. Each student write in a paper my three skills to develop this year or today or even this week, whatever you do. Try to think of these 10 skills. What three skills you already know? Improve communication, learn basic AI tools, manage my time better. These three skills are most important. Try to think over these things. Before you go to bed, every day make it a habit for self assessment. Ask a question. You must know, did I ask any questions to you? Put a tick mark. If you have not asked any question to anybody, then it is not correct. You must ask questions. I work well in a team. I solve problems calmly, without grumbling, without throwing things. I respect others' opinion. I use technology responsibly. For example, mobile you are using only to see a match, a cricket match, or to see a movie, or to see a funny thing, or you want to use Instagram, whatever you do, you should know whether you are using it responsibly. I keep learning every day. Try to think, what did you learn new today? In conclusion, today's marks are important in the school. Tomorrow's skills are even more important. Think of tomorrow's skill. One thing you remember, the purpose of schooling is not only to prepare you for examinations, but to prepare you for your life. Learn every day, think creatively, work together, care for others. Never stop learning. I would like to attribute the concept, design, and voice. While reading certain things, I developed a content on this particular presentation. That's me, CG Nagaraja developed this. Scientific guidance I got from ChatGPT in the OpenAI. This video is prepared solely for educational purpose for school children. My YouTube address at Nagaraja Chitradurga 1938. You may have in that 630 YouTube presentations that will help you. This channel is not for examinations, it is for understanding nature. I hope you will try to learn skills every day. Let God bless you. Okay, all take care. Bye bye.